Hello, once again, ladies and gentlemen, and my name is Michael Glass, and I have been leading you through our Getting Started video series for SEM Forex. This video series has been about getting you from application, getting that all filled out, installing the MT4 trading platform, and setting up that platform to have the look and feel that will help you comfortably analyze the Forex market. Now, as we've gone through this, of course, we have reminded you that this is just to help you get up and running. Any strategies, any indicators, any symbols have all been for educational purposes as we help you along your way to becoming a successful Forex trader. Please know that any trading, whether it's stock, Forex, futures, options, cryptocurrency, they all involve risk. You can lose your money. Trade at your own risk. So this is basically our last video in our Getting Started series. We've gone through application, installing MT4, creating our profiles, creating our templates, and using indicators. And so now we know that some of you are going to go out there and search the old World Wide Web to find indicators for systems that you believe in, which is great. We are not endorsing or going against any of these things, but we do want to make sure you do know how to bring these things into the MT4 platform. So today we're going to talk about how to install a custom indicator. Now, there is a couple ways to do it. There's the old-fashioned way, and this is basically if you've gone out and you have found an indicator. What's most important to that is that you have to know, where did you save it? You know, a lot of people save it to their desktop, to their downloads folder. When we go to add an indicator that you have found and downloaded, you need to know where you saved it. But in addition, there's also these indicators located in the market tab of the terminal. And we talked about this briefly in our terminal video. So we're going to talk about these indicators also that you can use. These are custom indicators that you can add to your platform also. Let's pull up MT4 and take a look. So first, I want to go ahead and add an indicator that I've downloaded off the internet. So in order to do that, remember I told you you have to know where you saved it. So I'm going to go to File, Open Data Folder. File, Open Data Folder. I'm going to click on that. And then right here it says MQL4. I'm going to double click on that. And then it says Indicators. So I'm going to click on that. And these are some indicators that you have. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up another folder that I have here. This is my Downloads folder. And this is an indicator that I have downloaded. So I'm just going to click and drag it over. Again, you could have it on your desktop, whatever. It doesn't make a difference. The important thing is that you have copied the indicator that you've downloaded into this folder. So I just want to make sure you understand that it is File, Open Data Folder. It's going to open up one of those Windows Explorer windows. We're going to click on MQL4, you're going to click on indicators and copy, drag your indicators there. Now we're not done. We now have to close MT4 and reopen it in order to add it to our charts. There's our little happy ring letting us know that we have restarted the platform. And then we'll go over and we will find our indicator. There it is right there, supply and demand. So I'll double click on it, say okay, and there you go. So that's how you add an indicator that you have downloaded from the internet. Again, File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Indicators, whatever you download, drag it right there. Now in addition, we talked about this before. I'm going to click on my terminal tab right here. And down here, there is all these little tabs, a part of the terminal window, and one of them is market. And part of market, you can see there's expert EAs and there are indicators. So you can click on that and you can see that you can sort them by most rated, what are new, price, free. How about free? Of course, it's all, whatever you think is. These are all, we're not endorsing any of these. You need to take the time, evaluate them, and see if they work for you. Of course, you can search for that. Let's see if I type in order flow. Let's see what happens here. There is a free order flow indicator. Of course, it says demo. How about Heiken Shi? How about that? Remember in our charting video, I said there's different types of charts that are not a part of the default. Heiken Shi is one of those. So I'll just click on one of these. When you click on one of these, it's going to give you the option to download, and then you wait and you listen. And when you get that whoosh sound, that lets you know that it's been added to your. There's the sound, so it lets you know that it's been added. And what's different is you can see right here, one of the indicators is called market. So you click on that, and then you double click on it, say OK. And you can see now these Heiken Shi candles have been added to the chart. And these are some of the other ones that I've just playing around, messing around with. But notice again, when you buy or you take a free one, however you whatever you get, and you click on that download button, they will all show up here underneath the market. And remember our indicator up here. We can go up here, go into custom. That was the one that I downloaded. There it is right there. And also notice that there is no market. The indicators that you get from the market tab will fall under custom if you choose to add them this way. If you go over here to the navigator panel, they'll be under this market tab here because again, you got them from the market. So we're glad. We hope that you can see this is how you add custom indicators that you might find on the internet. And then there are some indicators right here, a part of the MT4 platform that you can download and put into your system also. So again, guys, this was our last video in our Getting Started series. Again, we just wanted to make sure you can get up and running. We have a new series that we're going to put together for you, and it's going to be available soon. And it's going to talk about how to be a successful trader, how to look at the market. Again, we're not getting into this strategy and that strategy. Every successful trader looks at the market at a certain way, and then they apply their custom indicators or their trading strategies, their setups. But there's a way to frame the market that can make you be successful, and that's going to be the next series that we make available to you. Thanks, guys, and happy trading.